Umentri Rangba kejela ukonrat ke sangma hakesengi balang jangka arpulai terik benai rempang arjar arpuar ulalum jingalang ikiken hun beper ban Pyntip halor kejingnya penbet pot hapdeng kejela Meghalaya bat Assam. Hakejingnya kren bekilat batai kubor, Umentri Rangba ulayat huru baka Geological Survey of India kala Pyntip syaka Sorkar Pdeng ban penlong ya kejing sorjamin da kejing sakilang da kinong mikmat na kasorkar Meghalaya bat kasorkar Assam kenang ba kejingnya penbet pot kan long kabayahun lang da ki arliang mamla.
We had a meeting with different stakeholders, the different organizations, NGOs, civil society, our traditional heads, and the objective and the idea of this meeting today was really to give a bit more details about the basic understanding that Meghalaya and Assam have reached on the first 6 locations of the border dispute or the differences that we are having. And we have shared micro details, I should say, with them. We have not been able to give hard copies yet, but more or less I read out the entire details based on the principles that we have agreed on, and shared with them about which villages, which particular area, and what ethnicity in which area is there, how we decided on one particular location, one village, whether Tarabari, Kizang, Hahim, what was the way we went forward, whether it's about Pilankata, Kanapara area or Ratache area. So we went into all those micro details and we have shared. The organizations had some concerns and they have again given us some more suggestions, and they have all stressed on the fact that the interests of the people living in the border should be maintained and they should be taken on board. They have also stressed that they would like to see the copy and have a copy, and I've told them that as soon as we are able to have the meeting with MHA, then at the appropriate time we will share the copy, for which, as I said, I've given full details to them. So we shared the report, and it was very positive because all the organizations have felt that it is time that we should find some solution to this, and we also expressed to them that there will never be a 100% perfect solution, but we will try to make it as best as possible so that the interests of the people of our state are not compromised in any way. And while we look at all those aspects, we need to try to come to a solution that is going to be acceptable. And as I said, more or less we shared that with them, and most of them expressed positivity in terms of the aspect that the government has at least taken the initiative to move forward, and they stress on the fact that the interests of the people of the state should not be compromised.